Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to curve and bend text in Photoshop. It's really quick and simple and the process is really straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, let's open our Photoshop software. And as you can see, I have a blank, solid white background here. So let's type here something, or we can keep this default text from Photoshop. It appears blurry, that's because the canvas size is really small, but don't worry about it. You can adjust your text however you like, and then on the top you will see this option. This is a warp option. Click on it, and then here under warp you will see many options on how you can bend your text. Select arc, and using these options you can bend your text however you like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.